how to make money on Freelancer as a travel blogger. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor of this platform and I come here to search or to find a travel blogger, I will just go to hire freelancers. Then I will go by skill and I will search for writers like article writers or blog writers, and then I will click on that skill, and then I will be able to hire expert article writers for any job. And then by scrolling down, you will be able to see their profiles. So here you can see more article writers profiles. You can check their profiles, see where are they from, the skills that they can do, the reviews that they have, how much they getting paid per hour to do the job. You can check their description, how much their ratings, if they have good ratings or bad. You can check also their reviews. So for example, let's check this one's profile. Let's wait for it to load. So guys, make sure to learn from this man's profile. Clients usually lean to work with the freelancers that have all of these verifications in check, all of them, that build trust between you and between the possible clients. Same thing with having good ratings and with having also good reviews and with having a decent description as well. So make sure to spend some time writing or spend some time thinking about what you're going to write in your description. After that, also the value clients or the value freelancers who have or has good portfolios, because in portfolio you are going to showcase the same or your skills. You're going to showcase your skills, which means the things that you're going to do for them. And same thing with having good ratings and good reviews. That also makes it easy for you to get hired by the possible clients. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create a decent profile that will make clients hire you immediately. So let's go to the main page. And here, let's wait for it to load. Click on Earn Money Freelancing to create your profile, and make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on Join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my username, my password, then click on Login. And here, let's wait for it to be redirected to our dashboard. So this is where we're going to control everything about our profile. So let's go to your top right, and here you will be able to check everything about your account and your finances, starting with your profile, membership, account analytics, bid insights, settings. And for the finances, you can also check your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds. You can check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, payment sharing. And for the support, you can check the support if you have, or if you encountered any problems. You can invite friends as well, or you can log out from your profile. So let's go up to view our profile. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of adjustments to make to our profile. As you can see, it's very empty. We have 0 reviews, 0 money, 0 likeliness to accept a project, 0 jobs completed. So it's all empty. So let's start with editing our profile. And here you will need first to verify your email in order to edit your profile. So make sure to click on the link in the verification email we sent to your email address to activate your account and continue posting your project. After that, make sure to add a profile picture. It's very important because no possible client or no one will ever want to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then make sure to upload a cover photo as well. It's really helpful. And then for the verifications, if you remember what I have said in the beginning, verifications makes you build trust with clients, and the clients also lean to hire the freelancers that have all those verifications in check. So start with joining the elite group of the best freelancers, then verify your identity via your government issued ID check or a proof of address or both. Then verify your payment method as well, your phone number, the email, we've talked about it before, and also make sure to connect your Facebook account. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to choosing your hourly rate, then you choose your professional headline and your summary as well. And in the summary, guys, it's the description. It's where you're going to talk about yourself, talk about your skill, how did you learn this skill, where did you learn it, when have you worked before, why did you learn this particular skill, not some other skill, are you passionate about it or not, and all of those sort of things. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here, click on this pencil, and then you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove this one, and here let's remove this as well, and let's enter our skill, which is travel blogger. Let's see if we have anything related to that. So we have here, let's remove blog, still nothing. We have here travel. Let's see if there is any skill related to that. We have travel ready, travel writing, and let's go with blog. We have blog writing, and blogging as well. And when you're done with choosing your skills, then click on save to save all of these adjustments. Then it's time to make some money. So click on browse, then click on projects. Then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs, and you'll be able to apply for them as well. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.